Mm-hmm. Kick a nigga in the face. What's the beat? What's the what's
Welding.
Nick will redeem, nigga.
Perfect.
Meld all the shit together when I be welding. How I did it on the pedal. Pump it twice and I burn all the metal. I put the metal to the pedal and then I let the shit settle when and then I get it right here, then I mold the shit down. Now I got a metal spear, nigga. Ain't see it. Crack an axle, I believe it. Well, bring it to the shop. I'll charge the motherfucker hella guap. That be the tag. Fire coming out in a good thick flash. Hey, I ain't mad. Cause I got that mask. Like a dude, the man in the iron mask. As I weld on shit, playing my task. And nigga, I did the shit since back in the day. That's why it's blacksmith, nigga. But white smith. Whites wasn't doing this shit. That don't make me racist. It's just more fire in my places. First dude to see a motherfucking diamond just go from cold to something that I give to decent. Now at the time, keep it 90. Rubbing the diamond out the patch, now my motherfucking shining.
Perfect.
Now your grill stay shining. Get it in the gills. Then I get it in the clay, then I put it in some shit, then I yield, then it will. And then it go. And then I fill it with gold. Then I take it right back. Only cost $4, sell it $800 at the start. Nigga didn't know. Nigga didn't feel. Hey, SIBO effect when I give him that grill, let me feel. And it's just my bill. Hey, deal or no deal. Nigga really can't tell, but I put the iron on Howie Mandel or Mandela. Put it, broke him out the cellar. Put it, took him down to a wine cellar, and then show him how a wheel fellas. And tellers. With the fellas. Put the shit next to the gas tank light fire, that's propellers. Tank. Nigga science. I'm Mr. Wizard. Eating gizzards like a tiger. I'm DEF like most, but I'm also divine. And I'm not only Bill Clinton's president, I'm also a client.
Perfect.
Real deep shit like a motherfucking metal. Like the concrete bros, still bros like the ghetto. Real deep shit like a motherfucking metal. Like the concrete in the ghetto roads like the ghetto. Never will settle. I'll smoke that kettle till the shit start to whistle. Then you might hear a little. Then it really start to scream. And it really start to coil. Like the last breath that you hear out the lobster when the bitch start to boil.
Perfect.
Nigga never will settle. I got well, fuck your metal. Boy, you be a goner, I'm smarter. Got a purple heart and a metal one. Like ash and mouth. Dash and comma. Semicolon in the back. Where I'm welding at. Nigga. Smell the cat. From way, way back. Give him a nigga. Sect to me. Burn the sack. Hey. Nigga, welding.